saw it coming, but it was a lot worse than expected.
Europe is now affecting our economy. That tops tonight's Your Money, Your Business.
Here is News Channel 8 business reporter Joe Smith.
And good evening, Laurel and Tracy. What's driving the market bonkers, asked one analyst today. For starters, it's global. Economic uncertainty in Europe, high unemployment here, and proposed Wall Street reform. It's all part of what's causing the stock market to run hot and cold, and in the process, a lukewarm journey on the road to recovery. After Thursday's biggest drop of the year, 300-plus points, and today's rebound, up 125, uncertainty in the stock market is an understatement. It's a global issue, and Greece is the word.
Come to find out, the Greek government was giving bad numbers, bad data on how bad their debt actually was.
Even with a $1 trillion bailout from the European Union and International Monetary Fund, according to Jason Norris, Senior VP with Ferguson Wellman Capital Management, it may not be the answer.
But that plan was contingent on the country, specifically the government, cutting a lot of services, cutting salaries, and therefore we've seen the riots in the street over there because of that.
A decline in spending there affects American companies.
In the U.S., on average, sell about 10 to 15% of their product to Europe.
Also affecting the stock market and reversing progress on the road to recovery, continued high unemployment.
And so that's a risk for consumer demand for the U.S. economy.
Creating market impact for anyone with a 401k.
If your retirement is far off, then remaining in the equity market would be a prudent move.
But Norris says if you're close to retirement,
becoming more conservative and more defensive makes a lot of sense.
Meanwhile, in Washington,
the bill as amended is passed.
Democrats celebrated the Senate's passage of the financial reform bill, which now has to be combined with a similar version passed by the House.
It's hard for me to think that this is going to take us more than a month.
Some critics fear the bill will cost businesses more money and stifle investment.
The bill unnecessarily restricts credit and will make our country, I think, less competitive.
Begging the question of a double-dip recession. Jason Norris says no, but
below average growth has been our firm view for the next couple years.
In the weeks to come, investors will continue to watch what happens in Europe, especially the economies of Portugal and Spain.